Hello there. This is Matt Hay with Matt Bennett and Aaron Hammerhuber, and this is our first update for our Project 1 extension. To start, we're going to show you real quick just our backlog that we've redone, just to show you that it's much improved from our Jira backlog done before, and we're ahead of the curve already on our burn down chart. It's going to be good. So just to give you a little reference of that. Now on to the actual game. First things first, I have put in some new shader stuff and a post-processing effect, and I'm actually about to remodify especially the outline to make it a bit more straightforward and simple, because right now it's very dynamic. As you can see, like, this edge isn't outlined even though it should be. It's a lot more dynamic based on the perspective that the player is, or that the camera is at. So there's that, but if we look at it in game, everything has kind of a cell shaded look, and yeah, really a lot more cartoony. Makes it look like a comic book, and we kind of like that. So I think we're sticking to it.
Looks good. Fits our vibe.
Yeah. We might make the colors a little brighter or something, or a little different, but he's dead. All right. Anyways, that's that. Now on to some scripts.
Yeah, so I've been working on just refactoring some of our old code. This is what the static object, any platform or thing that wasn't moving the level would use this. As you can see, we have a ton of poor commenting and things thrown in last minute that just had to get fixed because they were just unintuitive or duplicate code. So on the friendly version that I'm making, things are commented much better. Also, it's very clear in game or in the editor to change the behavior for different perspectives. So if we can see, we have this one platform that has the friendly script on it, and you can choose the X behavior, the Y behavior. More can be added very easily, versus clicking on another one, it had the old, you had to know what type meant what. So just fixing that up. Also doing the same with moving objects and the camera, just trying to fix all of that up. We also ended up deleting a lot of textures and models, and while I'm refactoring, I'm trying to find a way to fix some of the sizing issues that we had without adding too many variables that we have to set whenever we drag in that static object script or the moving object script. So that's what I've been working on. I'm pretty happy where we're at with our development so far. We're getting already close to plug and play, which is important for puzzle games because playtesting is the most important part of puzzle games. So Triple H is going to talk some about what he's been working on now.
Yeah, so one of the new mechanics that we're kind of adding in for one of the new worlds is a color mechanic. And so we've got a little test scene here. You can change the player's color by hitting either of these orbs that are like glowing. We might change the look of that later. When you do that, the door, which is a green door, obviously, will be solid when you're red or any other color besides green. And when you're green, it turns transparent to show the player that they can go through, and then you'll be able to walk straight through. Another thing that we have been working on is the jump, and so our movement mechanics were really complex, and we kind of wanted to simple that down. So we just ditched the dash, ditched the wall run, ditched the double jump, and just made one big floaty forgiving jump, and it feels really solid. Feels great to use, and we think that'll do us wonders when we're doing so that platforming doesn't take as big of a role, and we can more focus on the puzzles and all the unique mechanics that our game has to offer. So,
and that's essentially where we're at right now. So thanks for watching.